Hey, this is Bill Ferreter from Building Confident Learners, and I've been doing a lot of thinking lately about the role of common formative assessment on collaborative teams. Now, obviously, when we think about common formative assessment on collaborative teams, one of the things that we think the most about is that we're using the assessment data that we collect to intervene and extend learning for students. And I don't want you to think that that's wrong. That is a primary purpose of common formative assessment on any collaborative team. We are trying to identify students who are struggling and students who are ready to move forward. And we're trying to use the evidence that we collect in order to target instruction at each individual student in our room. But I want to remind you that that's not the only purpose of common formative assessment in a collaborative team that works as a professional learning community. In fact, here's a great quote from Bob Marzano to help you recognize another purpose of common formative assessment data in a professional learning community. Common formative assessment data really becomes feedback for both teachers and students. Now, what does that mean? It means that the evidence that we collect is not just evidence of student mastery, it's evidence of the efficacy of the instructional practices that we've chosen to use. Does that make sense? So our goal is to look at that common formative assessment data and figure out what it means for our classroom practice. I happen to think that's some of the most exciting work that collaborative teams do. When we use assessment data to evaluate the efficacy of our instruction, we become better instructors. And becoming better instructors is what it takes in order to build confident learners. All right, looking forward to seeing you next time.